So it's out and pull it out. Again a masterpiece. Hi everyone, this is Aarti and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make another shampoo bar, which is my favorite fragrance oil which I have used in this. This is English Lavender from Moksha. I really love this fragrance oil. It is, I can't tell you, the moment I smell it, I go into another place, another dimension. It is amazing, amazingly amazing fragrance oil, and it is one of my favorite fragrance oil. So I highly recommend this English Lavender fragrance oil from Moksha. You should try at least once. Maybe get just 10 ml of this fragrance oil and try it, because I am in love with this fragrance. So I thought, why not make this into a shampoo bar. I have come out with a simplest of simple recipe for this shampoo bar, because a lot of you guys told me that the previous recipes which you had seen were a little bit complex. So I have used minimum of ingredients to make this shampoo bar, which are utmost necessary. You can't skip those ingredients. So I thought, so let's get going. Let's make this shampoo bar. I just can't tell you how I am in love. I'm so much in love with this. No, you know, I think instead of using this shampoo, I would rather just smell it and keep it besides my bed. It is. Today we are using again SCI powder. 30 grams of SCI powder, 5 grams of SLSA. So whenever you use SLSA, you have to use a dust mask. You have no option over it. Please make sure you use it. If there are any lumps, try to break lumps with your spoon. It just makes life easier. Now I'll keep this aside. Let's mix in the ingredients which we need to microwave or melt it in a microwave. So this is my BTMS 50. This is my cetyl alcohol. Make sure you go to the blog and see what are the measurements for these. Then my CAPB. This time I'm using sodium lactate instead of glycerine. This is also a humectant. Now use argan oil, nice colorless oil. You can give any color to this shampoo bar, you know, because it will be nice white. So you add any colors. If you want to do a rainbow bar, you can do that. It's so versatile. And it is so good for the hair. I have written a blog post on how argan oil is good for the hair. So have a look and enjoy that blog. So let me melt this out in microwave. You can also use Bain Marie for this. Okay, so all my ingredients are nicely melted. Let's pour in this. If you see, since it's cold, the weather is really cold here, it starts becoming thick again too fast. So this, okay, so put it in the microwave and let everything get homogenized nicely. So if you see, I have warmed it up, and how quickly it will mix up. This, can you see that? Can you see that? I'm going to use my color right now. So I'm using some lavender mica. And let's mix this. This is still warm, so we haven't added preservative and fragrance yet. This is like a Play-Doh. Ow. I'm so sad that it's going to turn hard when it's dry, but nevertheless it will give me a great shampoo bar. So now this is well incorporated. Our mica is well incorporated in this. Now what I'll do is Since this has cooled down, I'll add my fragrance oil. So I'll add my fragrance oil. Today I'm using English lavender. I'm not sure you will be able to see this, but anyways, this is English lavender. That's why we have used purple color English lavender fragrance oil, and my preservative, a broad spectrum preservative of your choice. Okay, today I'm using GeoGuard. You can use anything of your choice. Give it a nice mix. Let it mix in properly. Oh, the smell is amazing. English lavender smells so amazing. Let me play again with this a little bit. I just love doing this. This is so much fun. Oh my, I love it. I love this fragrance. This is an awesome fragrance. Okay. I can't stop doing this. Please somebody tell me to stop. Otherwise I'll just keep on playing with this dough till time. It's really not hard. Okay, Aarti, stop. You need to stop. So let's keep it aside. Now I'm using kitchen towels for this. I have separated the center just because I don't want to waste kitchen towels too much. This is the thing. I'll use little bit of glitter on top. Okay, just for my sake, and then push everything in nicely. Okay, everything is in. Rest of the things will be done by the press itself. Press it nicely, and if you don't know where to hold, there are these two. Can you see that? There are these two things. You just push in your hand like an injection. And it's out, and pull it out. Again a masterpiece. Oh, please leave. Okay, leave me, don't play with me. Okay, so again we have done a beautiful bar. I love the color, and the smell is really superb. I am in love with this. See this? Isn't this beautiful? So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you like this recipe or not. Please give it a try, and share it with your friends and family, so that it helps my morale, it boosts my morale to create more videos like this. And thank you so much. Bye bye.